Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to see realized gains on Thinkorswim. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to check your realized gains, which can help you understand your trading performance better. First, you need to open Thinkorswim and log into your account. Once you are inside the platform, navigate to the Monitor tab at the top of the screen. This tab provides a comprehensive overview of your account, including positions, activity, and gains. Click on Activity and Positions to see your trading history. In this section, look for the Realized Gains area. This area shows the profits or losses you have made from completed trades. You can customize the time frame to view your realized gains over specific periods. This will help you track your performance over the last week, month, or year. So to get more detailed information, consider exporting your data or using the Account Statement feature. This will provide you with a thorough analysis of your trading activity, including realized gains and losses. By regularly reviewing these figures, you can refine your trading strategies and make informed decisions moving forward. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.